You know, there's a secret weapon hiding in plain sight right on your phone. It's one of the most powerful and probably most ignored apps you have. And today, we're going to master it. We're talking about Google Contacts. Let's dive in. Okay, so here's what we've got on tap. We'll start with the chaos in your pocket, then talk about centralizing your contacts. After that, we'll get into how to organize, clean up, and recover them. Then we'll unlock some contact superpowers, touch on the Google Security Fortress, and finally reimagine your address book. All right, first section, the chaos in your pocket. And does this look familiar? Let's just be real for a second. For most of us, our address book is, well, it's a mess. So, is your address book a disorganized mess? I mean, really, does scrolling through it feel like you're rummaging through a junk drawer? You know exactly what I'm talking about. You've got like 5 different entries for mom, a bunch of numbers with no names attached, and you can never ever find the right person right when you need them. It's so frustrating. Yeah, these are the common frustrations, right? The endless duplicates, that heart-stopping moment when you switch phones and realize half your numbers are just gone. Or forgetting someone's birthday because it's not saved anywhere. And trying to find the right person quickly, forget about it. The good news is we're going to fix all of this, and we're going to do it with something you already have. Okay, let's move on. Your contacts, centralized, one hub to rule them all. It's time to stop thinking about this as just an app on your phone. It's so much more. It's a central hub that follows you everywhere. So what exactly is Google Contacts? Well, it's a free, cloud-based tool that automatically syncs across Gmail, Calendar, and all your devices. And that's the key. It's not just a list. It's like a central brain for all your people. You add a number on your phone, bam, it's right there in Gmail. You schedule something in your calendar, and that person's info is already pulled in. It all just works, automatically. No more worrying about syncing anything. All right, time for the fun part. Organize, clean up, recover, your digital toolkit. We're about to tackle all those frustrations we mentioned head-on with 3 super powerful but really easy features. First up, let's talk about organizing with labels. Seriously, this is a game changer for getting rid of that endless scrolling. Instead of one giant chaotic list, you can make these neat little groups. You just select a few contacts, hit the label icon, and create one for project team, or family, or your book club. Then next time you need to email that whole group, you just find the label. Done. It's so simple, but it brings so much order to the chaos. Okay, now for what might be the most satisfying part of this whole process. We're going to tame the duplicates with just one click. This part feels like magic, I'm not going to lie. Okay, step 2 is merge and fix. This tool is it's brilliant. Google automatically scans your contacts for all those duplicates. You know, the ones with the same name but a different number, or maybe one has an email and the other doesn't. You just head over to the merge and fix section, look at what it suggests, and with one click of that merge button, poof, it combines them into one perfect, clean contact. So satisfying. And then there's step 3, recovering deleted contacts. We've all done it, right? That moment of panic when you accidentally delete a number you really needed. Well, don't worry. If you open Google Contacts on the web, there's a trash section. Anything you delete stays in there for a full 30 days. It's like a safety net. You just find the contact, click restore, and you're all good. Okay, so at this point, your contacts are organized, they're clean, they're safe. Now it's time to unlock some superpowers and go beyond the basics. Let's really level up. So this is a really important distinction to get. Personal labels versus Google Groups. The labels we just made, those are just for you. They're like your own personal filters. But Google Groups, that's for collaboration. A Google Group gets its own email address, so you can share things with the whole group at once. It's perfect for a team or a club. And get this, if you add or remove someone from the group, their access to shared files and calendar invites updates automatically. Super powerful stuff. And check this out, here's a little peek at the future. There's a feature coming called My Calling Card. The idea is that when you call someone, they'll see your name, your photo, and other info you choose. You basically get to control your own caller ID. It's like customizing your digital first impression every time you pick up the phone. Pretty cool, right? All right, now for the big one, the Google Security Fortress. I mean, we're talking about putting all of our contacts, all this personal info, in one place. So the question is obvious. Is your data safe? The short answer, yes, it's very safe. Your data is protected by Google's massive, global, multi-layered security infrastructure. Think about it. Your contacts are stored in the exact same secure system that protects Gmail and Google's other massive services.
And here's how they do it. It's not just one thing, it's layers of security. First, you've got intense physical security at the data centers. We're talking biometrics, cameras, the whole 9 yards. Then, your data is encrypted at rest, which means it's scrambled by default before it's even written to a disk. It's also encrypted while it's moving between services. And finally, they have super strict controls to limit who inside Google can even access user data. It's a fortress from the physical world to the digital one.
Okay, let's bring this all together. Your address book reimagined, from a list to a network. Because after all this, we're not just looking at an organized list anymore. We've totally changed the game. Here's the big takeaway. You've turned a passive address book into a dynamic, organized, and secure personal relationship manager. You're not just storing numbers anymore. You're managing your network. It's basically a lightweight CRM, a personal one right in your pocket. It's no longer just a messy list. It's a powerful tool that's actually working for you. So I'll leave you with this final thought. Your contacts list is a network. It's a map of your relationships, both personal and professional. Now that you know how to manage it, how will you use it? How will you use these tools to build stronger, better connections?